Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photo in Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Create and Projects at the bottom of your screen. Tap Projects, then you're gonna find a bunch of photos that you've created on Photoleap. Now look for the three-dot menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the photo that you want to delete. Tap on it, then you'll find options like Rename, Duplicate, Delete and Cancel. Select Delete, then the photo will be deleted in Photoleap. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.